Hey guys, what's going on? So it's Martin here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a new Amazon KDP account without needing your phone number or without having any OTP authentication issues. All right, so previously I created a step-by-step video on my channel where I showed people the step-by-step process they could follow to create an Amazon KDP account and also verify it right here in Nigeria or in any African countries they are in. And tons of people have gone ahead to create their Amazon KDP account, verify it, and start using that account to start making money online for themselves. But recently I've discovered that some people right here are not able to successfully create the account, and some of them have reached out to me telling me that they are finding it difficult to receive the OTP to their phone number that they will use to verify their Amazon KDP account. So I've gone ahead to share with some of these people how they can be able to get past this, and I've decided to also make a video so that anyone that is experiencing that issue right now will see a step-by-step solution they can follow to solve that issue and get their account activated on Amazon KDP. So in this video you will be learning how to create a working Amazon KDP account without your phone number or having any OTP issues. You will also be learning how to add a bank account to your account, should in case you're struggling with adding a bank account to your Amazon KDP account. All right, now the next thing is how to properly fill in your tax information to get taxed 0% by Amazon. So currently right now most people are being taxed 30% on their Amazon earnings or their Amazon royalties. All right, but I'm going to show you how you can be able to save these 30% of your earnings on Amazon. All right, now the last thing I'm going to share with you guys, costly mistakes to avoid to not get your account banned or terminated. This is very important so that you do not get your account banned when you want to withdraw your money from Amazon or when you start making sales on Amazon KDP. So if you want to learn how all this is possible, make sure to stick to this video and watch the video to the very end, because I will walk you guys step-by-step process on how you can be able to do all this. All right, now what do you need to get started? Now here is what you need to get started. Now for you to be able to go ahead right now to successfully create and verify a new Amazon KDP account, here are some of the informations you need, or here are some of the tools you need right now to be able to go ahead and do that. The first one is a new web browser. All right, so if you have been using Google Chrome right now to sign in or to try to create your Amazon KDP account, you need to get a new web browser or a new mobile browser. It can be Mozilla Firefox, it can be Opera Mini, it can be any other web browser that you have not used before to sign in on your Amazon account or to try to create an Amazon account. All right, now the second thing you need is a new email address. This is very, very important that you make sure that the email address you're using have not been used in any of these Amazon platforms, whether be it Amazon KDP, whether be it shopping with Amazon, or any of these Amazon platforms out there. All right, now the third thing you need is the Google Authenticator app. All right, so I'm going to show you some of these apps when we proceed and how you can easily get them. Now the fourth thing you need right here is the Amazon shopping app. All right, and the fifth thing that you're going to be needing to be able to go ahead to do this is a USD, Euro, or Pounds bank account. All right, so now that you have seen what you need to go ahead to create your account, let's quickly jump into the video and I'll walk you the step-by-step process you can follow right now to go ahead and set up your Amazon KDP account. All right guys, so I just jumped into my phone right now to show you guys the step-by-step process you can follow to go ahead and do this, because I know that majority of you guys right here will be using your smartphone to do this. Okay, so all you simply have to do is just to go to your Google Play Store and go ahead and search for Amazon shopping. Okay, now this is actually one of the apps I told you guys earlier that we'll be using to do this. Now once you search for Amazon shopping, go ahead and install it. I've already installed it, and once you have installed it, go ahead and click on open. Now once you click on open, it will load up this page right here like this for you. Now I don't advise using an iPhone to do this, because most of the times you are not going to be able to land on a page like this, and you are not going to be able to create your account successfully when you're using an iPhone. So I advise using an Android phone to do this. All right, so once you land there, all you simply have to do is to go right here and click on done. And once you click on done, now it will load up this page where it will ask you whether you are already a customer or whether you want to create a new Amazon.com account. All right, so go ahead and click on new Amazon.com. Now once you do that, the next thing you have to do is to go right here and fill in your first name, last name and your email address. Please do not add your phone number right here, okay, so that we can be able to use our email to verify the account, which is very easy to do. And remember that you are going to be using a new email you have not used on any of these Amazon platform before. So I'll quickly go right here and fill in my name and my email address and create a password to continue. So I've gone ahead to fill in my first name and my last name right here, and I've also added the email address right there, okay, and choose the password. Now, once you have gone ahead to do all this stuff, go ahead and click on verify email. Amazon will now send an OTP to your email address instead of your phone number. So all you simply have to do is to go to that email address you listed out there and copy your OTP. So here is the email that Amazon sent to me, and here is the OTP. So I'll simply go ahead and copy the OTP, go back to the Amazon shopping app, and go ahead and paste the OTP right here and click on create Amazon account. As you can see right here, we have successfully created an Amazon shopping account without having to verify our phone number. All right, now if you have gone the route of using your iPhone to do this, now Amazon is going to bring up a puzzle that you have to solve, and once you are done solving them, they will also bring out a place where you have to put your phone number to verify, and once you do that, you will not get the OTP still. That's why I advise you to use Android phone to be able to do this. So once you are here, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and click this hamburger icon right here. Now you see where we will have your shortcuts right here. Go ahead and click on that and you will see your account. So go ahead and click this your account right here, okay? Now scroll up right here, then you will see account security. Now under account security, you will see login and security. All right, go ahead and click on that login and security. Now the next thing you have to do is to scroll up right here. You will see two-step verification. All right, so go ahead and turn on the two-step verification right here. So simply go ahead and click on the get started right here. So once you click on get started, you will see the first one. There are two steps you can do this. The first one is to use your phone number as your authenticator, but we don't want to use phone numbers right here, okay, because most times you will not receive the code. So we have to go right here and click on generate OTP using an application, and the application we will use right here is the Authenticator app, which I told you guys to download, okay? So once you select that particular one, now you will see a code right here that you have to add manually on your Authenticator app. Now to also download your Authenticator app, just simply go to your Play Store again and search for Google Authenticator mobile app. All right, now once you search for this stuff, you will see so many of them right here, but the one that you will install is this particular one that says Google Authenticator right here, okay? So this is the one that you will install right here, and this one have over 100 million downloads right here, okay? So once you download this one, go ahead and open it. All right, so once you open it, go ahead and click on get started. Now first, because you are downloading this thing the first time, it's now ask you to scan a QR code or enter a setup key, but we will be entering the setup key right here. Now to get your setup key for your Amazon shopping account, just simply come right here, go over to the Amazon shopping account. Now you will see the setup key right here, which is this number 3 right here. So go ahead and copy this code right here, okay? This code is unique to you, so go ahead and copy it. Then go over to your Authenticator app, click on enter a setup key. Now the account name, just title it Amazon KDP, okay, so that you remember. Then your key, go ahead and paste the key you just copied right here. So once you have entered the account name as Amazon KDP and enter your key, now leave the type of key as time-based right there and go ahead and click on add. Now once you click on add, then you are going to see where it's going to ask you to add your account, okay? So all you simply have to do is to go ahead and click on add account. So once your account has been added, now just go ahead and copy any code that you want to use right here, okay? So go ahead and click to copy the code and simply go over to this place right here where they say enter OTP and paste in the OTP and click on verify OTP and continue. All right, so as you can see right here, it's brought up to the step 2 right here for us to complete. All right, now here it's going to ask us whether we don't want to be requiring OTP when we want to sign in, but no need, we want to be requiring OTP whenever we want to sign in right here, because it's easy for us to generate from the Google Authenticator app. So we'll go ahead right here and click on got it. So now that you have turned on the 2-step verification, we are done with the Amazon shopping app. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is to go back to Play Store and download a new or fresh web browser. You need this because you don't want to use a web browser you have used to sign in on Amazon before, so that you not get your account closed or banned. All right, so all you simply have to do is just to download a new web browser. Now I have not used Opera Mini before, so that's why I went to Google Play Store to download Opera Mini. And once I'm done with that, I'll simply go right here and click on open. So once you're on the home page, all you simply have to do is just to go over to this, enter an address, and what you have to search there, go ahead and click on enter an address and search for kdp.amazon.com. So once you click that, the KDP account is going to load up right here. Okay, so as you can see how it's showing up right here. Okay, so let me zoom in this a little bit so that you'll be able to see it. Okay, now here you are going to see a sign in again and sign up, but because we have created an account using Amazon shopping, we don't need to create a new account, or we don't need to click on sign up here again. So all we simply have to do is just to go right here and click on sign in. And once we click on sign in, now we'll come right here and put the same email and password we use when setting up the Amazon shopping account. All right, so we'll go right here and put the same email right here. Once you have put the same email right here and the password that you use in creating your Amazon shopping account, simply go right here and click on sign in. Now as you can see, it has gone ahead to sign us in right here. Now the next thing is for us to now do what? To put the OTP right here from the Google Authenticator app, okay, which you can easily get just by going over to the Google Authenticator app. Okay, so here is the Google Authenticator app right here. You will see a code that you will copy, the same Amazon KDP code there. You are going to see a new code there you will copy. Okay, so go ahead and click on that code to copy it. So I've gone ahead to copy the code. I'll come back right here and go ahead to paste the code and click on don't require OTP on this browser again. Okay, so they can easily sign in whenever you want. Right here, as you can see, we have successfully signed into our account. So we'll simply go right here and click on agree. So as you can see, we are now signing to our Amazon KDP account successfully, all right, without having any issue with our phone number or receiving OTP to our phone number. So this has helped us to be able to solve this issue. Now the next thing that I want to show you guys right here is to how you can be able to go ahead and update your account information, and also how to make sure that you are getting 0% taxed by Amazon. All right, this is very, very important because it's going to save you a hell lot of money when you start making money on the Amazon platform. Okay, so all you simply have to do is just to come over right here. You can go ahead and click on this update now button that you're seeing right here. But let's say that you have created an Amazon KDP account before. All you simply have to do, and you want to follow us to update your tax information so that you will not get taxed again, just simply go ahead and click on your account and follow us. Okay, so I'll go right here and click on this update now. So once I click on update now, to go ahead right here to bring us into our account right here. Okay, so all you simply have to do right now is just to scroll up right here. Then they will ask you business type, select individual, date of birth. Go right here and put in your date of birth. So you can click this calendar icon right here to select your date of birth. Okay, so once you have selected the individual as business type, you put your date of birth right here. Now simply go right here and select your country. Okay, so right here we will still go with Nigeria. So once you have selected Nigeria as your country or region, then go ahead and put in your legal name. Now this would be the same name that you use in setting up your Amazon shopping account. Okay, and put in your address and city and state and postal code. Now where people miss it most times is when it comes to postal code. So if you are finding it difficult in putting your postal code, simply go to Google and search your city name or your address and attach postal code at the end, and you are going to see the postal code of your location. Okay, so just copy that postal code and put in right there, and go ahead and put in your phone number. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and fill up this stuff to continue. So I've gone ahead right now to fill in the informations right here. Okay, now another important thing I want to mention right here is when it comes to phone number, also make sure that you are using a phone number you have not used to sign in on Amazon KDP before, so that you will not get your account terminated, okay, or banned in the future. Okay, so once you have done that, simply go ahead and continue. So once we scroll up right here, the next thing is for us to go ahead and add our bank account, because this is how we will get paid. All right, so now all you simply have to do is just to go over right here and click on add bank account. Go ahead and click on add bank account. Now when it comes to bank account, the bank account you'll be adding right here to receive your royalties from Amazon can be a USD account, it can be a Euro account, or it can be a Pounds account. You cannot add your Naira account right here. Okay, so you can be able to get a USD account from Payoneer or from GetPay. Now I created a video that's going to show you the video that is showing on the screen right here, and I'm going to put the link in the description of this video that will show you how to be able to create this account step by step. All right, now, or you can go ahead and create a Euro account or British Pounds account using gray.co or using payday.com. I've also created a video right here that is showing on your screen that can show you how you can be able to go ahead and create this account, and all the links that I'm mentioning in this video will be dropped in the description of this video, so do well to check that description. Okay, so right here we are going to be using a British Pounds account, simply because majority of people are complaining that they don't know how to receive the $50 that Payoneer requires to give you the receiving account, the USD receiving account. Okay, so right here we will be using a British Pounds account from gray.co. Okay, so once you have watched that video can show you how you can be able to go ahead to create your account successfully. Now once you have created your account, you can simply go over to Play Store. Now once you come to Play Store, go ahead and download this gray.co app. Okay, so once you download the app, go ahead and click on open. And once you click on open, because you have created your account, all you simply have to do is just to go ahead right here and click on sign in. All right, so I'll go ahead and sign into my account to show you how you can easily copy your bank account details to input in your Amazon KDP account successfully. So once you have signed into your gray.co account, now the simple thing you have to do right there is to go ahead. You will see where I have the US dollar right here. Okay, so select that icon right there and choose the British Pounds account. Okay, because that's what we'll be using right here. Okay, so once you choose the British Pounds account, now go ahead and click on this account details so that you can be able to see your account details. You can be input to Amazon KDP, and once you get paid and once you earn royalties on Amazon KDP, it will now be deposited to this your gray account, and from this your gray account you can now easily send that money to your Nigerian bank account. The step-by-step video that I showed on how you can be able to create a gray account shows you how you can be able to go ahead and add your Nigerian bank account to your gray.co account, so that once there is money in your gray.co account, you can easily withdraw it to your Nigerian bank account. It's very easy, so you can watch that video to learn how you can be able to do that. All right, so all we simply have to do right there is now to go ahead and copy our account number right here, go over to Amazon KDP. Now we're going to select United Kingdom. Okay, now once we select United Kingdom, now we'll go ahead and copy the account name. So right here, this is the account name. So go ahead right here and put in the account name. So once you have put in your account name, now this type of account, leave it at checking. Okay, now when it comes to IBAN number, when you go back to your gray.co account, you will see your IBAN number right here for you to go ahead and copy. Okay, so go ahead and copy your IBAN number right there, come over to Amazon KDP and paste your IBAN number right there. Now this BIC code right here, you are also going to see it. The BIC code is also the same thing as the Swift code right here. Okay, so go ahead and copy the Swift code as the BIC code right here. Okay, so go ahead and copy the Swift code right here and go over to Amazon KDP right here and paste it right here. Okay, so the BIC code is the same thing as the Swift code. Now once you have done all that, simply go ahead and click on add. All right, so as you can see, you are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon marketplaces. Okay, So as you can see, we have added our bank account right here. All right, so once we scroll down right here, we will see the tax information section. And also this is very important aspect of this training, okay, because I'm going to show you how you can be able to get tax 0% on Amazon from your royalties. All right, so all you simply have to do right now is just to go ahead and click on this complete tax information. Okay, so you said we have on save changes. Okay, so go ahead and click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, we'll click on complete tax information. So once this rolls up right here, you will see tax information interview. Okay, now what is your tax classification? You have to select individual. Now, are you a US citizen, US permanent resident, or US resident alien? We'll select no, because we are not US citizen. All right, so you ask us, are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person or a flow-through entity? We'll select no, we are not acting as an intermediary. So once you have come down to the tax identity information, now the next thing you have to do, this place will have the full name. Let it be your full name, do not change it right here. Okay, so what you have to do, this country of citizenship, go ahead and select it right here, and also select Nigeria. Okay, so once you have selected your country of citizenship, the next thing is for us to go to the permanent address and change it to a country that has a tax treaty with the US, because currently Nigeria and most of these African countries does not have a tax treaty with the US, which means that whichever income or whatever royalties you earn from Amazon, you will get taxed 30% of it. But you can save yourself that if you are in a country that has a tax treaty with the US. And what we're going to be doing right here is to select a country that has a tax treaty with the US. Okay, so all we simply have to do right there, we'll just go right here and click on edit to edit the permanent address. Now once you click on the edit, simply go ahead right here and click on the country right here. Now you are going to remove Nigeria right here, and we are going to be using South Africa right here. Okay, because South Africa has a tax treaty with the US. Now once you put in South Africa, go back right here and put in a street name. Now for you to be able to get an address on South Africa, so you can simply go over to your Chrome browser and search for random South African addresses. Okay, so once you search for this, now you're going to see this website that says bestrandoms.com. okay, so we'll go ahead and click on this random address in South Africa right here. Okay, now this website is going to present you with random addresses in South Africa that you can go ahead and use. Okay, so as you can see, they have the street, the city, the state, the phone number. You can use the zip code, the country calling code, and the country, which is South Africa. Okay, so we'll go ahead and copy this as it is right here. We'll go ahead and copy one of them and input it in that box. Okay, so I will go ahead and go with one of these streets right here. So I've gone ahead to put in the street number and the name, and I've also gone ahead to put in the city, the state, and also the zip code. So once you have done that, leave this stuff as same as permanent address and click done right here. Okay, so once you click on done, you now have a South African address right here. Okay, so once you have clicked on done right here, now this mailing address, leave it as same as permanent address. Okay, now this tax identification number, right, now you have to select this I have a non-US thing. Okay, now when you come over to this I have a non-US thing, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and put in your TIN value. Now if you don't have any TIN value, all you simply have to do is to go ahead and pick one of your ID card right now. It can be your voter's card, it can be your NIN number. Just copy that number in your voter's card or your NIN number or your passport or your driver's license and put into this place that we have the TIN value. All right, so I've gone ahead to add in the TIN value right here, which is a number on one of my ID cards right there. Okay, so once you have done that, go ahead and click on continue. Once you click on continue, now you are going to see right here that it says that the selected country qualifies for treaty benefits. All right, now once you have done that, go ahead and click on confirm. Now you can see you are eligible for the treaty benefits. So scroll down right here, now for us to go ahead and sign the form. Okay, so come away right here and click on this I certify that I have the capacity to sign the person identified on the line of this form. Now this signature right here, type in your full name. Okay, now go ahead right here and type in the full name you use in creating this account. So I've typed in the full name right there. Then the next thing you have to do is just to go ahead and click on save and preview, because the date will automatically update right here. So go ahead and click on save and preview. All right, so as you can see, it's gonna show us the preview of what we just did right here. Okay, so once you are okay with what you are seeing right there, go ahead and click on submit form. So you can see right here that it says your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Applicable withholding rate 0.0%. So Amazon is not going to be charging us the 30% charges it used to place on most of these Nigerians accounts or most of these other countries that does not have a treaty with the US. Okay, so once you have done that, go ahead and click on this exit interview. So once you land here, simply scroll up right there and go ahead and click on save right here. Okay, and once this has been saved, just simply scroll up right there and go to bookshelf right here so that you can be able to start publishing your books on Amazon to start making money for yourself.